In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove an object from a photo using GIMP. Whether you're an aspiring graphic designer, a photographer looking to clean up images, or just curious about image editing, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, let's get started by launching GIMP. Once it opens, you'll want to prepare the image you wish to edit. To do this, navigate to the upper left corner of the screen and click on File. A drop-down menu will appear, so go ahead and select the Open option. This will prompt you to browse your files and choose the image you want to work with. After you've made your selection, click Open again to import the image into GIMP. With your image now open and ready for editing, it's time to focus on the object you want to remove. Locate the Paths tool in the left-hand toolbar and select it. This tool will allow us to outline the object that we need to remove. Begin by clicking around the object, making sure that your outline stays a few pixels away from the object's edges for optimal precision. As you create this outline, you'll notice you can adjust the curves with path handles by clicking and dragging the pins. This feature grants you more flexibility in shaping your selection. Once you have outlined the object, it's important to complete the path. You can achieve this by holding the Ctrl key and clicking the first anchor point where you began your outline. This action closes the path, and we're now ready to transform this path into a workable selection. Head over to the Tool options and click on Selection from Path, converting your outline into an active selection on your image. Next, it's time to remove the object using the Clone tool, which you can access by pressing the C key on your keyboard or by selecting it from the left toolbar. In the Tool options, you'll want to choose a suitable brush shape that complements the object's surroundings. Adjust the brush size, angle, and force according to the area you're working on. These settings help refine the cloning process. You'll need to select a source point from which to clone. Do this by holding down the Ctrl key and left-clicking on an area close to your selection. Once you've set your clone source, release the Ctrl key and begin clicking or brushing over the selected area, effectively patching it. Work meticulously, cloning over the unwanted object until it is completely covered. After successfully covering the object, it's time to tidy up. Press Shift plus Ctrl plus A to deselect, and then lower the opacity of your brush. This step lets you go over any rough edges for a smooth and seamless finish. Finally, save your edited image. Click on File, and then select Export As. Choose your preferred format, give your file a suitable name, and then click Export. Your image is now ready. Congratulations, you've just mastered the skill of removing objects from photos using GIMP.